San Juan, originally founded in 1716 in eastern Texas. Mission San Juan was transferred in 1731 here to its present location in San Antonio, Texas. Millions of people visit San Jose Mission every year to look at its beautiful architect and to learn a little bit about history. The Mission San Jose, 1720, the Spanish established a chain of missions along the San Antonio River. These missions became the foundation of the city. In the mid-1700s, San Juan was original supplier of agriculture, produce including corn, beans, squash, sweet potatoes, and sugarcane, grown in integrated fields outside the mission complex. The mission kept approximately 3,500 sheep and the same amount of cattle, just 20 miles away at Rancho de Patigua. A lot of sheep, a lot of cattle to take care of. The mission was originally named San Jose de los Naciones Mission, located in the territory controlled by the Nasoni and Nacadote tribes. The mission was briefly abandoned in 1719 due to the threat of the French invasion. San Juan Capitisano Mission was renamed on March the 5th, 1731, when it was relocated to the present site here of San Antonio, Texas, 12 miles from the Alamo. It did not make as much progress as it did for the other San Antonio missions because of its exposure to the frequent Indian attacks and the fact that the lands allotted to the mission sufficient. It was hard for cattle and raising of the crops needed. San Juan was a self-sustaining community. Within the compound, Indian artisans produced iron tools, cloth, and prepared hides. Orchards and gardens outside the walls provided melons, pumpkins, grapes, and peppers. Beyond the mission complex, Indian farmers cultivated maize, which is corn, beans, squash, sweet potatoes, sugarcane, and irrigated fields. Over 20 miles southeast of the Mission San Juan was Rancho de Patigua, which in 1762 reported 3,500 sheep and nearly as many cattle. These products helped support not only San Antonio missions, but also the local settlements and residential garrisons in the area. By the mid-1700s, San Juan, with its rich farm and pasture lands, was a regional supplier of agricultural produce. With its surplus, San Juan established a trade network stretching east to Louisiana, south to Cachula, Mexico. This thriving economy helped the missions to survive epidemics and Indian attacks in its final years. In partnership with the San Antonio Food Bank, San Antonio Missions includes a living demonstration farm at San Juan Capistrano. This demonstration farm is fed by historic and shows visitors and the laborers surrounding the Mission San Juan Capistrano would have loved to look like. To visit the farm at the San Antonio Missions, cross the mission compound and take the trail to the southwest of the mission. Come out and see the beautiful missions here of San Antonio, Texas, and see all that it has to offer. With all the history that was done at Mission San Juan, many people come from all over the world to visit and see the landmarks and the places where people died and battle was taken. So if you have a chance, come out and see our beautiful San Juan Mission. San Antonio Missions in the San Jose, you won't be disappointed.